दस्तूर खुद्द महाराष्ट्राची अस्सल मराठी कला आहे. वेळ, खर्च, जागा कमी, फायदा मात्र अमाप आहे. मोठं मैदान तर सोडूनच द्या, फार कपड्यांचीही गरज नाही. देवा शपथ खरं सांगतो, मलखांबाला पर्याय नाही. India has given a lot of pearls to the world. The concept of zero. The mother of all the languages, Sanskrit. The first university in the world, Takshashila. The plastic surgery, the yoga, and many more. But one such pearl, which many people are not aware of, is Mallakhambh. A great cultural gift from India to the world. Malla is a wrestler, Khambh is a pole. Initially used for wrestling, but now an independent sport in itself. Originated in Maharashtra 200 years ago by Balambhat Dada Devdhar, but in British rule, under the aura of Western culture, Mallakhambh almost died and lost its pride. I started learning Mallakhambh at the age of 3 from P.L. Kale Guruji of Shri Samartha Vyayam Mandir, Dadar in Mumbai. And soon it turned into a passion. So much so that even on my wedding day, I practiced Mallakhambh in the morning. It started teaching Mallakhambh to the kids. And soon, the results were seen in few years. More than 100 students excelled at the state and national championships. I conducted demonstrations, workshops in almost every district of Maharashtra and in 29 states of our country. Developed a rule book, organized competitions, got the Mallakhambh recognized by Government of India and Indian Olympic Association. International body was formed, and now the federations are formed in Germany, USA, and many more are in the pipeline. Mallakhambh has spread its wings. Thank you. In last 25 years, more than 1,500 foreigners from 52 countries have learnt Mallakhambh. Many countries have used their own languages to promote their sport. I chose to teach my foreign students Mallakhambh original Marathi words like Sadhi Udi, Bane Guruji Pakad, Khandi, and so on. More interestingly, they conclude each practice session in a traditional manner with ek saath Namaste and Jai Hind. Can you believe each and every person in this auditorium can learn Mallakhambh? There is no bar, be it age, gender, weight, or anything. Mallakhambh can be practiced anywhere and by everyone, a child of 5 or a person of 85, or even by the visually challenged. Komal Patil from Kamla Mehta Dadar School for the Blind, and Samasgir Sheikh from Victoria School for the Blind. They have overcome the challenge, the stigma of shame and blindness. They are not just showing us Mallakhambh, but asking us, if I can do it, why can't you? The message what they give is what we need is not just sympathy, but opportunity. And this is the best opportunity they are getting in front of this choices gathering. Down. The accuracy, the perfection, the balance, and coordination. Thank you. Many a times, I'm appreciated for teaching them Malcolm. But in reality, they are the one who taught me how to teach better. While teaching them, I verbalized each and every action in precise words. And then it was great to see them obey you blindly and perform flawlessly. I grew as a teacher. While teaching them, it was always seen that their health is improved, the stamina, the physique. And this is more rewarding than any award. When we go to different gyms, we see different machines for different body parts. Here, there is only one pole and one rope, and each and every part of the body gets maximum exercise in minimum time. It improves all the abilities which are required in any kind of sports disciplines, like strength, concentration, balance. Basically, when you practice Malkham, it is a creative and most cost-effective sport. Yes, Malkham is our ancient martial art, a performing art, as well as a competitive sport too. Let's see Sagar Rane, a national champion, performing on the pole. Passing the thread of the legs through the middle of the hands. A swift, agile, and fast movements. Right from the tip of the toes to the tip of the arms. Acute sense of balance, concentration, and courage. Sitting at the top at the height of 8.5 feet above the ground, just on the diameter of 1.5 inches with a leg on the shoulder, Ekapada Shirasana. And a sitting catch. And the shoulder plank, sheer strength. And a beautiful toe balance challenging the gravity. The monkey hold grip and dismount. And here is another national champion, Aditi Karambelkar. A straddle L climb. One hand Padmasana, and a beautiful Natarajasana, the backward bend of the body. Hold with the single ankle joint and Natarajasana. It's like painting by the brush of body on the canvas of air. Many people ask, why Malkhamb is not in the Olympics? You'll be surprised. Malkhamb is not yet even in our national games or women's sports or even rural games. It's a long way to go, but the start is promising. I am happy at least more people have started climbing the pole now. Guess what? Malkhamb is known as the fastest growing sport globally. And did you know? Only one word added in the Oxford Dictionary 7 years ago, and that is Malkhamb. Swami Vivekananda has rightly said, strength is life and weakness is death. Malkhamb makes one mentally strong, physically fit, and improves the disease resistance power. The spread of Malkhamb will certainly build healthy and strong India, Samartha Bharat, Sashakta Bharat, and of course, healthy globe too. This is the potential soft power of India. Let me share a Malkhamb Aarti, prayer written by me, with simultaneously some of the students will perform spectacular pyramids on the pole and on the rope, the best example of team spirit and coordination.
एक साथ सलामी.
Yeah, saluted the pole in the traditional manner. जय जय जी मल्लखांब आयुर्बलदाता धन्य संस्कृति रक्षक समस्त खेल पिता जय देव गुरुबालम भट्टदादा प्रथम अभिव्यक्ता मल्ल युद्ध कुलदीपक दैवी उद्गाता जय देव शरीर स्वास्थ्य सुधारक क्रीड़ा कौशलता मनोरंजक उपचारक अल्प व्यय क्षमता जय देव राम रहीम येषु गण बुधसिक पद दलिता सकला प्रसन्न वरदे मंगल जगत्राता जय देव एक साथ नमस्ते 1 2 3 4 कवायद विसर्जन थैंक यू